we're going to be feeding a lot, and everyone, guys, just to make sure we are feeding a lot of animals, okay? Like, we're feeding a ton of them. Nom, nom, nom. Oh my god! It's like, you want it? And nom, nom, nom. Hey yo! There's capybaras! We're in the memes! It's not extinct. Look, mommy, have you ever noticed this? This means like least concern, this one means extinct, and this one means threatened. This one means like extinct, probably extinct. And this one means like a little bit threatened. Less of them, few of them. It means there's few of them. That's what it means. It means there's few of them. Few of them. So that means a little. Woo! I can't feed everything. Yeah. It has a hole in its ear. It has a hole in its ear. Fine. Okay, partially. These animals may hit the fence with horns. Do not put your hand inside the enclosure. That's why they have these holes. Want more? And there we go. Get it? You're gonna need to get it. Nom 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 nom. Okay, you want it. No, no, no. It's gonna go down over here. Eat it. I don't think they're lions. They're like leopards. There's wolves. Yeah, kind of. They kind of look like coyotes too. Yeah. Let's come, please. Oh, you are an actual imbecile.